Are you a beginner looking to open your first bank account and you're considering Patriot Bank? Choosing the right account is crucial, so let's break down the best Patriot Bank accounts for someone just starting out, based on my own experience researching their options. The best starter, the college-bound checking account. For most beginners, especially students between 18 and 23, the college-bound checking account is Patriot Bank's best option. No minimums, this is huge. It has no minimum opening deposit requirement and no minimum daily balance requirement. That means you avoid those frustrating monthly maintenance fees that often catch beginners off guard. ATM rebates. It offers rebates on the first 4 non-Patriot ATM withdrawals each month, up to a $20 maximum per statement cycle. This saves you money if you need cash and aren't near a Patriot Bank ATM. Digital tools. You get full access to their online and mobile banking tools for 24/7 account management, which is a must-have for modern banking. Simply put, this account minimizes fees and maximum access, making it a perfect low-stress entry point for managing your money. The core savings account, youth savings or standard savings. Once you have your checking account set up for daily use, you need a savings account. Youth savings account. If you are under 18, the youth savings account is the clear choice. It requires no minimum opening deposit or minimum balance, and it earns interest. Standard savings account. For beginners over 18 who don't qualify for the student checking account or want a separate savings vehicle, the standard savings account is the way to go. You can open one with just a small deposit. The monthly maintenance fee is only $5, and you can easily avoid it by maintaining a $250 average daily balance. This is a very achievable goal for a beginner. It's important to note the standard savings account interest rate is generally low, around $0.01%/text, APY, so its main function is to simply keep your savings separate and safe. What to avoid as a beginner? As you look at other options, I strongly recommend avoiding the Patriot checking account or the Star banking account right out of the gate. Patriot checking. This account requires either a direct deposit or a $1,000 minimum average daily balance to avoid a monthly maintenance fee of $12. As a beginner, keeping a 4-figure balance to avoid a fee can be a challenge. Star banking. This is a relationship-based account with great perks like bonus rates, but it requires a very high aggregate minimum average daily balance of $15,000 across linked accounts to keep those bonuses. It's simply not designed for a beginner's cash flow. In summary, my top recommendation for a beginner is the college-bound checking account for all your spending needs, paired with the standard savings account for saving, making sure you hit that $250 average daily balance to waive the maintenance fee. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.